Yo, what is up? Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's having a great morning. Well, right now, to start off the day, is get turned up because for some reason, right now, I am hyped. And when you're hyped, you gotta get lit and put your favorite hype song, so let's get lit with the song that I really like. Let's go.
I just feel like nobody really understands me, you know? It's like I constantly play this game in my head. Like I think I'm good and then I don't know. I got mental issues, don't know what to call it. Okay, I got a couple screws loose inside my noggin. Shout out to my dad for not using the condom, cause now I'm a problem. Imagine these rappers were tight, mumble rap was just a gag at the mic. Back in the lab, they were actually tight, counting stacks, marketing a laugh at the hype. And these spill poppin' rappers never dabbing and vice, sober and clean, never so crack in the night. Nice, got your rap tough, but get dragged in a fight. The type who was stabbed, but keep on grabbing the knife. I'm just babbling facts, hope you handle advice. Don't diss me, you don't wanna gamble your life. Yeah, I'm rambling, but you can tell I'm actually tight. Damn it, I just might hit a dab to the right. Like I'm coming from the dance of the night. These things happen cause I happen to write. I'm still standing, bitch, I stand at a height that you can't fathom, so just pass me the mic. No one's gonna get in my way cause I won't let you. Yeah, you're sick, but I am on another level. I don't like you and I'm not gonna pretend to. I got a great life that I need to attend to. It's fuck you and the people rolling with you. I'm actually fine, you're the one with the issue. First time I do a show, I rage at the venue and flex on my ex like the way I was meant to. I need your Ned McCurdy to fuck me. I wanted dirty sex with her since like Carly. We met at a meet and greet and it was lovely. She recognized me and I begged her to love me. You say I rap sad, I got one side that's ugly. Think I'm not a savage, you must be a dummy. Got girls in different states, they're calling me hubby. Girl, you get replaced if you start to get funny. It's about time I flex, I think that I deserve it. Been rapping for years, barely scratching the surface. Been underground too long and now I'm emerging. I'm stopping my music so Slim Shady's heard it. I've been crazy working on my daily urges to give you nothing less than amazing verses. Get turned at the club with the bottles you purchase while I manifest every dream you've been curving, that's real. I got mental issues, I cannot ignore this. Okay, I could get help, but I can't afford it. Shout out to my mom for skipping the abortion. Your son will be enormous. Everybody from Higley High, please listen up. Thank you for telling me I should give up. You partied, I worked and finessed the buzz. How does it feel to get left in the dust? Funny how you girls keep hitting me up in my DMs like when we gon' fuck. I'ma need you to get off of my nuts. There girls who curve me, they turn into sluts. Don't say we're friends and don't wish me luck. I got my fans right here backing me up. I turn to music and you turn to drugs. Get a look, this is what sacrifice does. Try to be nice, but it wasn't enough. I think I like the person I become. Fuck your advice, I listen to my gut, and it's telling me keep fucking shit up. I got so much anger that's inside of me. I just wanna end you. Everybody's so quick to judge me, but don't know what I've been through. I've been locked all alone inside of my room. Showing what will my pen do? I say whatever I feel, I'm unapologetic. I give a fuck if I offend you. Fans writing me sick, I'm so sick of the booing. We wanna hear that rap bump in the trunk music. I got this beat behind me, and got right to it. I've been up all night just so I could write to it. Why does it feel like you don't realize that I'm human? I have feelings too and I feel I'm a loser. Got anger pent up, please don't tell me to cool it. I harness my emotions and then I use it like, oh my god, I think I'm gonna show you more than you can see. All my props in my mind slow me down because they run deep. All this time you thought I was in my bed, but I can't sleep. All my life I felt like no one could truly love me. Could truly love me. Yeah.
God, I'm so hyped right now. It's so lit. Whew. I hope you guys enjoyed that because, man, I was so hyped. I hope I got you guys hyped. Whew. Anyways, guys, that was a good day to start off. But I hope you guys are getting lit. I hope you guys are getting hyped. Cause you gotta get hype and dab, dog. Anyway, guys, don't forget to be smiling every day. It's always good to be smiling. And I'll catch you guys later in a bit. Peace. What are you doing?
Oh man! You have to get that camera out of my face.
Hey.
Paparazzi, get out of here. Move.
Come on.
What are you doing?
I'm lying.
Smart.
Huh? Hey, what are you doing?
I don't know how this thing works. Hello?
My brother's playing and he sucks.
Well, my guy sucks. I don't suck.
Well, you keep getting pop-ups.
Bro, I'm not even batting. What you talking about?
I know I'm not. I know that, but I meant like the other time I saw you playing.
Do you have evidence of that? No, you don't. Yeah.
Alright, what? I'm gonna keep recording and I'm gonna get evidence right
That's
now.
fine. That's fine. Keep recording.
Alright.
My dude's buff as hell. He's gonna smack the shit out of it. Ooh, it's okay.
Right.
It's okay. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. It's all good. Hey.
Oh, you're lucky.
Hey.
You're lucky this time.
Have on it. Hey. You record me without a shirt on? That's
So
scandalous,
what?
bro.
Famous vloggers have shit off too.
But I'm not a vlogger. Get that camera.
That
out
doesn't
my
matter.
face. It's scandalous, man. You're hairy as fuck.
So I was recording and I ended it when my brother was playing and he, I don't know if, was it you that you stole second base?
Yeah, I got thrown out.
Oh yeah, he stole second base and got thrown out. And I was about to say, and he is out of here! From that movie Monsters Inc.
What character was it?
From Monsters Inc?
Yeah.
I don't know what character, but I know it was Mike Wazowski.
It was Michael Jackson.
Yeah. And you got out again?
Bro, my controller's messing up.
No excuses.
No.
What? Hey, Dad.
Don't even let me have a chance to look good.
Oh my god. Alright, well. Right now, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's freaking hot right now. Hot as heck. Anyways, let's see what Zoe over here got to say for the vlog. Zoe, would you like to say hi to the vlog? Hey, Zoe. Zoe! Say hi to the vlog. No, you're back. What are you doing? You didn't know. You know you did. Don't lick the vlog, man. What are you doing? Hey, come back here. Okay, well, would you like to say hi? How about you, Zoe? Huh? You like to say hi? Yes? What are you looking at? The mystery of a dog staring at the wall. JK. Alright, well. Anyways. Well, it's just one of those days today where you just relax and really have nothing to do. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna try this thing that my uncle gave me. It's this like BB gun weapon and I never really used it. But I'm gonna actually try it right now. You guys will see that. So here it is. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Alright, so this little thing right here, this little weapon, and the board's in that container right there. But yeah, let's go try this thing out. I'm gonna use it like I said. Hold on, let me put this down real quick. Turn the light off. Alright. Damn, I'm really hyped to use this, kind of really use this. But I'm gonna shoot some bullets in my backyard. I wonder how it's gonna turn out. I'll put it in slow motion for you guys. Alright, I'm in my backyard. Let's see. I don't know if I should. I don't know if I should get a cardboard and put it against the wall. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna put the camera down. Actually, you know what? Let me fix it more. Hold up. Alright, hopefully this will stay. Alright, so I'm not sure if you guys can see me right now, but see if I can open this. I don't know. This is kind of hard to open, to be honest. It's so small that it's hard to open the effing container. It's like you have to freaking throw it on the floor in order to freaking open this thing. Oh, I think I almost got it. I got it. Alright, so if these little things, I don't know what these are, but these little things. So let's try it out. Alright, so I know, I think you could. You know, I don't know how to use this. This is my first time and I don't want to mess up anything, so I'm just gonna wait until my dad gets here, because I mean, I know I'm a savage and I would do it by myself and see what happened, but what if something happened, gone wrong? I'll get in trouble probably, but whatever. But yeah, I'll be back in a couple minutes and I'm gonna try this out for you guys, so you guys can watch and see what happened. I just need to wait for my dad to come back because he wants to go get dinner for me. So see you guys in a little bit. I don't know, but wait a second. I don't know. Look at this. I mean, like, look at this view. This view is freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Damn. Okay guys, well, my dad just got back and now I'm gonna try out the BB weapon here, and so I hope you guys enjoy. So here we go. Put the camera here, zoom in, and hopefully I knock the bottle over. Because that's what I'm aiming for.
Oh, you missed.
Alright guys, sorry for taking too long. I can't hit the bottle. Oh!
Oh, snap!
Dang! I got it. Oh my god, that was so sick. Oh my god. Did I leave a dent, Dad? Oh, a hole? No? Dang, that was sick. Wow, that was so cool. Alright, so now we're gonna try aluminum can, which is like a soda can. So we'll see how that goes. But that was so sick. I'm really into like guns and weapons. I want to try and go out and shoot someday with a real weapon. I always wanted to try that. But alright, so here we go. We're gonna try to shoot this can over there. You guys can see. So, alright, Dad, you want to film?
Sure.
Alright, so my dad's gonna film. Oh, so close. That was sick. Oh my god, I knocked it over and it bounced back that way somewhere. Oh my god, it was so cool. Alright, you want to go pick up the can?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, it was so cool. Dang, I'm liking this. Oh my god. That's insane. This is so fun. I'm gonna definitely do this tomorrow for you guys. Or heck, I might just probably do it the next couple of days. Okay, this is fun. That was cool. Like, I hit it, shot it, knocked down, and it like bounced over here somewhere, the bullet or whatever. But anyways, so I'm gonna try to zoom in for you guys a little bit. Alright, Dad, you be the filmer.
Alright.
Put it long way.
I made it
a little bit above it.
yeah. I did put it a little bit further. Then again, it is getting dark. It's not like you have a laser on that thing. Yeah. one more because you ain't got no light really left. Alright.
Guys, see if I can hit it last time. Ah,
Just missed.
dang. Alright guys, well, that's the last of it. I'll do some more tomorrow. That was pretty fun. But that's gonna probably wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on my post notifications whenever I do a video. And you guys also can get a shout out today. And I will see you guys later, fam. Okay, so my dad just pulled up the can and I shot it. That's where he shot it right there. Oh my god. I mean, I'm supposed to hit it around the middle, but on top, that's pretty good. Yeah. Anyways, I almost forgot. Today's shout out go to my boy Tonio Ard. Thank you, Tonio, for having my notification turned on and subscribing. If you guys want a shout out of the day, all you gotta do is subscribe and turn on my notifications and comment when you're done. That's all you have to do, bro.